Welcome to Hopscotch Preschool. Hey kids, today we are going to learn about some of the crawling animals. Let's go. First one is caterpillar. Soft, fuzzy body. Crawls slowly on leaves. Grows into a beautiful butterfly. Caterpillar. Snail. Carries a spiral shell on its back. Leaves a shiny trail. Loves rainy days. Snail. Turtle. Hard shell protects its body. Walks slowly on land. Loves swimming too. Turtle. Earthworm. Long, soft body. Wiggles through the soil. Helps plants grow healthy. Earthworm. Ant. Tiny but very strong. Works together with friends. Lives in busy ant hills. Ant. Ladybug. Bright red wings with black spots. Crawls on flowers and leaves. Helps gardens by eating tiny bugs. Ladybug. Beetle. Shiny, colorful body. Strong little legs. Can hide under rocks and leaves. Beetle. Spider. Has 8 long legs. Spins amazing webs. Catches tiny insects. Spider. Lizard. Fast little crawler. Loves warm sunshine. Can regrow its tail. Lizard. Snake. Long body with no legs. Slithers smoothly. Uses its tongue to smell. Snake. Crab. Walks sideways. Has 2 strong claws. Lives near the sea. Crab. Scorpion. Has tiny pincers, curved tail, hides under rocks. Scorpion. Crocodile. Strong tail and sharp teeth. Crawls on river banks. Excellent swimmer. Crocodile. Alligator. Big, powerful body. Loves lakes and swamps. Sunbathes on the shore. Alligator. Baby iguana. Bright green scales. Long striped tail. Loves climbing trees. Baby iguana. Hermit crab. Lives inside empty shells. Changes shells as it grows. Has cute little claws. Hermit crab. Inchworm. Moves by making loops. Tiny green body. Blends in with leaves. Inchworm. Pillbug. Roly-poly. Rolls into tiny ball. Loves damp places. Looks like a little toy. Pillbug. Baby butterfly. Eats lots of leaves. Crawls everywhere. Gets ready to transform. Cricket. long back legs, crawls and hops, sings chirp chirp at night. Cricket. Cockroach. Fast little crawler, has long antenna, can squeeze into tiny spaces. Cockroach. Millipede. Has many tiny legs, curls into a spiral when scared, loves damp forest. Millipede. Centipede. Long body with many legs, moves very quickly, hides under logs. Centipede. Gecko. Sticky feet help it climb walls. Big cute eyes, makes funny chirping sounds. Gecko. Slug. Soft body without a shell, leaves a shiny trail, loves cool, wet weather. Slug. So kids, crawling animals use their tiny legs, strong muscles or wiggly bodies to move around, find food and explore the world. For more fun and learning, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hopscotch Preschool. Take care, bye.